Good afternoon, my dear students. I'm so glad to be your chemistry teacher in this session. And I promise you will find it very interesting to learn from your home. Now let's make a quick revision in our first lesson, and then we will try to answer some question on it, okay? Now let's start. In our first lesson, we talked about chemistry, and we said that chemistry is the central science. Okay, but before that, we said that science is an organized structure of knowledge, which includes facts, concepts, principles, scientific theories, laws, and organized method in research and investigation. And we said that the types of sciences are different from each other according to 3 points. The different phenomena under study, الفينومينا اللي احنا بندرسها, the used method in research, and the used tools, okay? After that, we talked about the types of natural and physical sciences. As we said before, biology, astronomy, physics, earth science, and finally, our subject, which is chemistry, okay? Let's talk about some of branches of chemistry, like analytical chemistry, physical chemistry, thermochemistry, environmental chemistry, and so on, okay? Let me ask you a question. What are the applications of chemistry? Chemistry has many applications in our life. The ancient Egyptians used some chemicals in mummifying their dead, as we said before. Ancient civilizations like the Greek civilization used chemistry in metals, mining, medicines, etc. Okay. We also used chemistry in some industries like tanning and making of clothes and producing glass. Okay. All of this info we have studied it before. Okay. Now, let's make a revision about the relation between chemistry and other science. We said before that we have biology and chemistry. Biology and chemistry. There is a community between biology and chemistry. And also there is a community between chemistry and physics. When biology is integrated with chemistry, we have biochemistry as a sub-science. While when there is a community between chemistry and physics, then we have a sub-science which is called physical chemistry. Okay, do you still remember it? Now, let's take some examples of some industrial applications of chemistry, like medicine and pharmacy, like nanotechnology and nanochemistry, agriculture field, okay? But you have to know very well that chemistry is the science that is related to many fields, okay? Because it has been related to metals, mining, production of colors, medicine, and some technical industries, okay? Now, it's the time of our question, okay? So pay attention. The first question, choose the correct answer, okay? Pay attention, please, my dear students. The science which is interested in discovering and forming some substances with extraordinary properties. Is it chemistry, physics, nanotechnology, or astronomy? Again, the science, what is interested in discovering and forming some substances with extraordinary properties, unique properties. As we said before, it's nanotechnology. Nanotechnology. Okay, let's take our second question. Science is an organized structure of knowledge which includes. Science is an organized structure of knowledge which includes facts and concepts only, principles and laws only, scientific theories only, all the previous, okay? Science is an organized structure of knowledge which includes all the previous, okay? The third one, biochemistry. Biochemistry is the sub-science which is integrated due to the community between biology and chemistry, okay, is interested in studying the composition and the properties of matter, or the components of soil, or the cell components, or the chemical reaction of matter. Biochemistry, biology is interested in studying the cells of body of living organism, okay, and chemistry is interested in studying the chemical structure of any matter, while biochemistry is interested in studying the chemical structure that chemical reactions, that take place inside the body of living organism. So our answer will be the cell components. The cell components. Let's take another question, okay? Extracting medicines from natural resources is a result of the integration between medicines from natural resources is a result of the integration between chemistry and agriculture, medicine and pharmacy, chemistry and pharmacy, pharmacy and biology. Who can send the answer on chatting room? Extracting medicines from natural resources is a result of integration between chemistry and pharmacy. Chemistry and pharmacy. The fifth one, the ancient Egyptians used chemistry in purification of water, building pyramids, mummifying their dead, or all the previous ancient Egyptians mummifying their dead. Mummifying used chemistry in mummification process, mummifying their dead. Okay, now let's continue. Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is a sub-science which is produced due to the community between physics and chemistry. Okay, physics and chemistry. Physical chemistry is the science that's interested in studying the ratio of the soil components, or the nature of hormones, or the structure and the properties of matter, or all the previous. Physical chemistry is interested in studying the structure and properties of matter. Okay? Now, our last question. Okay? Our last question. Look at this figure and read the question, okay? The opposite figure represents the human circulatory system. This figure illustrates some sort of combination between chemistry and medicine, chemistry and pharmacy, chemistry, physics and pharmacy, chemistry, pharmacy, and medicine. This shape represents our circulatory system, okay? The organs of the body of human, okay? 2 lungs, oxygen, gas, carbon dioxide, exhalation and inhalation, okay? So this figure represents the human circulatory system again. This figure illustrates what? The combination between chemistry and medicine, chemistry and physics. What is the rule of physics here? Chemistry and pharmacy, chemistry, pharmacy, and medicines, where when we know the structure of our body, we can use chemistry very well in making and producing very multi productions that have healing properties like medicine by using pharmacy as chemistry, pharmacy and chemistry as a science. Okay, now I hope that you will enjoy sorry for this interruption. Now I hope that you will be interested by my first session, and see you next session inshallah. Goodbye.